Yes guys, sa mga gusto kumuha ng JLPT exam, quick tips lang on how to register in JLPT website. Para magkaroon ka na account, una, itype nyo to sa web browser nyo. Then mapupunta kayo sa homepage ng website, bali na kanihonggo yan, click nyo lang ang English. Then browse lang pababa, then click Acquisition of My JLPT. Then select Individuals, click English, then read the agreement, then select Agree. Then sa page na yan, dyan kayo mapipill up ng personal information. After nyan, mag-email na sa inyo ang JLPT, then i-confirm nyo lang using your registered email address. Kapag may account na kayo, mag-register na kayo para sa examination. Click nyo lang to, then select Examination Application, then select Individual Application, then read the agreement, then select I agree. Then browse na pababa to fill out the personal information. After that, confirm nyo lang. Select your payment method kung convenience store ba kayo magbabayad o through credit card. Yun lang guys, salamat!